In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check out for digital products on Shopify. We'll walk through the whole process of setting up a digital product so your customers can buy it and receive their files automatically, just like a professional online store. By the end, you'll know exactly what to click and what to look out for, even if you're new to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the section labeled Products and click on it. This will take you to a list of all the products in your store. If you've already created your digital product, simply find it in the list and click on it to edit. If you haven't created it yet, go to the top right corner of the page and click Add Product to start from scratch. Inside the product editor, start by giving your digital product a clear descriptive name. Just below that, you'll see the description field. This is where you explain what the customer is getting. Shopify supports rich text, so you can format your description with headings, bullet style structure, or links if needed to make it easy to read. Next, add media to represent your digital product. Click the plus icon in the media section. A pop-up will appear where you can either choose existing media from your Shopify files or upload new media directly from your computer. This could be a cover image, a preview screenshot, or any visual that helps customers understand what they're buying. Now set a price for your digital product and configure its inventory. Even though it's digital, it still uses the standard pricing and inventory fields. You can keep inventory tracking simple if the product is always available. In the shipping section, make sure that the physical product option is turned off. This is crucial because you don't want Shopify to treat this as something that needs to be shipped. Then review any other product details you use in your store, like variants, purchase options, product category, or meta fields. When everything looks good, go to the top of the page and click Save. Next, look back at the left-hand menu and find the Digital Downloads app. If you don't see it yet, you can install it for free from the Shopify App Store, then return here. Open the app, find the digital product you just configured, and on its row, you'll see a link that says Add Digital File. Click that. Now click Add Files. A pop-up will open, allowing you to browse your computer. Locate the actual digital file your customers should receive after purchase, select it, and click Open at the bottom right. Once the upload finishes, go to the top of the page and click Save. At this point, your digital product is fully set up. Customers can check out like normal, and after purchase, Shopify's Digital Downloads app will handle delivering the file automatically.